red ants get you? Did the red ants get you? Yeah. They're terrible. Those red ants are terrible, aren't they, Morgan? Are they awful? Did they get your foot? Did they get your foot? Yeah, they got your foot. I think they're gone now, though. I do. I think they're gone. Better? Are you better? Yeah. Those silly ants. They should not mess with you, huh? Yeah. You don't really want to see your booty. There you go. Thank you.